afternoon, my lovely kids. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. So, before starting our class, we do prayer. All of you stand up, join your hands, close your eyes. Stand up, all of you. Yes, join your hands and close your eyes. Open your eyes, rub your hands and touch on your face. Again, rub your hands and touch on your face. So, my lovely kids, I am your teacher, Jyoti Bhajde, here to teach you English subject. This subject, English subject, right? So, today we are going to learn lowercase letter O and P. Which letter? Lowercase letter O and P. Right? Before that, we will learn. What we will learn? Before that, we will learn rhyme. What we will do? We will learn rhyme. So, today I want to ask you, do you know who is the Prime Minister of India? Do you know who is the Prime Minister of India? Okay, I will tell you. The Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. Who is the Prime Minister? Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Modi. Who will tell me who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. Right? Let's start. You know that we have learned the rhyme Two Little Dicky Bird. You know we have learned the rhyme Two Little Dicky Bird. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes. So first we will revise the rhyme Two Little Dicky Bird, and after that we will start our writing work. Right? So, all of you stand up and please let's stand up and start. You have to do it action. You have to do it action. Let's start. Two little dicky bird sat upon a wall. Again, two little dicky bird sat on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. How you will say? Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Did you like this rhyme now? Once again. Now we will say, now you also have to say with me, right? You have to also say rhyme with me. Let's start. Two little dicky birds, say, two little dicky birds sat on the wall. Two little dicky birds sat on the wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Again all of you. birds, two little dicky birds sat on the wall. Two little dicky birds sat on the wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself, all of you. Very good, very good. Now take out your English notebook. Now take out your English notebook. Taken out. Take out your English notebook first. Yes, let's start. Take out your English notebook. Sharpen your pencil. Take eraser also. Take eraser also. Yes. You know that we have done A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Right? Till here we have learned small letters. Lowercase letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. After N, which letter will come? After N, O. Which letter will come? O. So this is uppercase letter O. Which letter is this? Uppercase letter O. Right? O for orange. O for octopus. O for oval shape. O for owl. Right? So today we are going to write letter, small letter, lowercase letter O. We write lowercase letter like O only, but we write only in two lines. Right? We write lowercase letters O in two lines. So the one dot is there. Make a circle O. Which letter is this? O. So all of you start writing with me and write neatly. Start writing with me and write neatly in your notebook. In your notebook. Don't write out of the line. So dot is there. Make a circle O. Make a circle O. Again. Make a circle O. In uppercase letter we write from red line. But in lowercase letter we write in two lines only. Between base line and lower line. Again, take help of your mama to put the dot and start writing. Write neatly in your book. Say and write O. You have to say and write O. All of you say and write O. Say and write. Okay? And write neatly. Neatly in your book. Don't write out of the line. Write neatly in your book properly and neatly. Right? Yes. Good. Write in two lines only. Don't write out of the line. Don't write out of the line. Yes. Complete it fast, neatly and properly. Neatly and properly. Now we will write in next line. Make a circle. O for orange. O for octopus. Which letter is this? O. Then again write O. Write properly and neatly in your book. Don't write out of the line. And you have to complete one full page. One full page. I don't have space. That's why I am writing here only. But you have space in your notebook. So complete it till the end of the page. So I am waiting for you to complete it. Complete it fast. I am waiting for you to complete the letter O. Completed. Done? Good. Now take out next page. Now take out next page. One fresh page. Now take out one fresh page. Yes. Now we will write letter after O. Which letter will come? P. After O. After N O. Now which letter will come? P. This is uppercase letter P, but we write in 4 lines. Now we will write lowercase letter P. We will start from baseline, right? We will start from baseline. How we will write? First, standing line. We will start from baseline and standing line, then curve. Don't start from here. It is wrong. Start from here. Next line. Right? So again, standing line and then curve. Start writing with me. Complete this full page. Again, standing line and then curve. Write neatly and properly in your English notebook. It is same like uppercase letter, but we have differences of lines. Uppercase letter we start from upper line, but lowercase letter we start from base line. So put the dot. Mama, take help of Mama. Put the dot. I am waiting for you to complete it. I am waiting for you to complete the line. Completed? Let's start writing in next line. How you will write? Look here, dot is given. Standing line, then curve. Standing line and then curve. So P for pen, P for pencil, P for parrot, P for, tell me, things will start with P. Papaya, right? Again, standing line and then curve. Which letter is this? P. Which letter is this? P. So again we will start standing line and curve. Which letter is this? P. Which letter is this? P. So complete it and write fast. Complete it and write fast, properly, neatly. Yes. Done. Write neatly. Don't write out of the line. Now we will start in next line. Now we will start in next line. Look here, standing line and then curve. Right? Standing line and then curve. Again, dot is there now. Now you can write without dot also. Now you can write without dot also. Again, standing line and curve. complete it fast, neatly and properly in your notebook. Neatly and properly in your notebook. Now next line again we will write standing line and curve. P. Again standing line and curve. P. Standing line and curve. P. P for parrot, P for pen, P for pencil, P for paper. P for paya, P for purple color, P for pilot. So many things start from letter P. So I am giving you time to write, complete it fast. Complete one full page till the end of the page. Neatly and properly you have to complete till the end of the page. Neatly and properly. You have to say and write. Don't write without saying. Say and write. Completed neatly and properly in your notebook? Good. So my dear lovely kid, what you have to do? You have to complete your notebook properly and regularly, and you have to learn the sounds also of all these letters till where I have taught you. In next lecture we will learn sound of letter O and P. Right? So complete your notebook properly. So now I'm winding up my class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day and look after yourself.